Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and leave a review on an item. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target, then click on Purchase History. Then go ahead and click on an item that you've bought before. So we're going to go ahead and click on our In-Store tab. And let's take this item here, for example. So once you click on an item, click on Rate and Review Items. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and leave your review. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and leave a review on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.